Hello everyone, look who I can see. I can see Vlad. Let's all go say hello. Hello Vlad. It looks like Vlad is reading a special book. I wonder what he could be reading.
Justin, Sheldon, Woody,
Oh
and
look, I can also see Myon. It sounds as though Myon is making lots and lots of loud noises. When it's too loud, that means there's more sound than you can cope, and this is making Vlad feel sad. Vlad, are you okay? When it's too loud, that means you find it hard to listen to other people and think about what you need to do. Everyone is different, you see. Some people are okay with loud noises, and some people are not okay. When it's too loud, you can do things that will help. You could tell an adult that you are not okay with the noise. You could cover your ears until you feel you can cope better. Or you could use your special ear defenders, or ask to move to a nice quiet place. To do this, you could show an adult your help card. This tells an adult that you need help. It's okay if you don't like loud sounds, Vlad. You can try and stay calm and do things that help you feel safe. Well done, that's super listening. Myon, it's lovely to see you. We'll try and remember to use our indoor sounds when we're inside. Looks like you're having lots of fun though.
Aww.
Oh, brilliant. You're both super listeners. So happy to see you both. Have a wonderful day. Bye.